Hello, namaste. How are you all? I'm fine. Hope the same from your side. One more news. Model Sheetal is murdered. It happened in Haryana. She was 25 years old model and it has been suspected and Haryana police have arrested her boyfriend Sunil because they doubt that he is responsible, but he acted as if he was in the hospital at that time. And on 14 June the parents lodged a missing complaint because the girl was actually staying with her elder sister at Panipat and she had gone for the work, that is shooting, and had not returned. And that is why Sunil was arrested by the police. Actually, it is said that why it happened because Sunil was already married and having 2 children. And even Sheetal was married and having a son, but they were staying separate in the sense she had left her husband or she was not staying with her husband. And both were in love and they were in relationship. And it was said that the day when she died, about a little bit before, that is Sunday, her sister rang her and at that time she told that Sunil was beating her and her sister heard even Sunil's voice as well. Now the question is, why these things are happened? Why people are not trusting one another? Once you are in relationship or you are married or whatever you are, why don't you trust one another? Then is it only attraction? If there is no real love, no trust, why these things are happening? As it happened, Sonal killed her husband, or even at Meerut, I think Muskan her name was. She killed her husband, or in other places we are finding both. It is not, I am not telling only girls are doing, even somewhere we find that the partners. Then why the partners? Or once you are in love with one another means, why there is no trust? That is what I feel. See, it is not the thing that in olden days people were not in relationship or they were not having any relations. I do know that there were. But there were no things like this, killing one another and all, nothing. Because the people had a trust. They had trusted, and because it was their right, their willingness, their love, whatever it is, that is why they were living together many times. We know that the people were having such affairs. But even then, I tell you, there was trust between one another. Though they were in love with one another, when that partner's wife or husband was in trouble, the other one used to come, help them, whatever needed. These things were going on. There was trust, especially trust. Trust is very, very important. then only your love or what I can say, attraction, everything. But nowadays what we see is there is no trust between one another. I think that people have become selfish. They use them when they want, afterwards they just throw them out. I think it should not happen. See, we human beings, we are having the right. I do agree that you are having the right to love anyone, to live with anyone, okay. Do that. But you don't have the right to take somebody's life. And when you are having trust, you will not take anybody's life. I am sure about it. So that is why this trust should be there. Only when you trust one another, then only start living together or having the relationship, whatever it is. There should not be any fake things. If you love anyone, okay, now what is in that? But tell your parents, marry that person. But once you are married, or you should have trust, you should have love, you should sacrifice for one another. But nowadays what we see, why it happens, whether you feel what is the reason, I don't know, I can't think. Many times when I see such things around us, everywhere it happens, all over India, not in this state or that state. Only in some states, crime rate is very low, and in some states it is more. That is all the difference. Then, what we should learn is, we should learn to trust, to love. We should not misuse or selfishly using someone. Because why it happens? It happens because they use with some selfish motive. And when that selfishness is over, they throw the other one out. Let it be girls or boys, whoever it is. I don't have any difference like that, because in both the places we find the things. But what I want to tell everyone is, only if we trust, means both the sides, then only you should marry or you should have the relationship, whatever it is. Otherwise, no. When the other person is killing you, means whether it is the trust? No. When you trust one another, you are ready to give your life for the sake of the other one. Whereas here we see people taking the life of somebody else. It should not happen. Let it be Haryana, let it be Maharashtra or anywhere. The things should not happen like this. We people, we should have some culture, some understanding, some maturity. We should think twice. We should talk to self. We should find out what is what, it is right, it is wrong, whatever it is. If it is good, accept it, go ahead. If you are having any doubt, don't go ahead. So think twice. Think twice again and again. Think about your kids, your parents, your own people. And mind you, whatever these things take place, people or media people, they will speak for a few days. Afterwards, if you leave your close ones, very close, that is your siblings, your parents, children, if you leave those 8 to 10 people, nobody else is bothered. So take care of yourself. your people, your kids, your parents, and think about yourself. Because for others it is only for a few days, then everyone forgets. But for the near and dear one, those 8 to 10 people, throughout their life they will remember it. That is why at least think about them and don't do any wrong things. Have a good day.